guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick review of a couple of the items in the Too Faced Unicorn Tears collection. They sent me a few of these products and I get so excited when I get stuff from Too Faced. So I wanted to share my thoughts with you on these. As far as this collection, it's just basically kind of a bunch of stuff that's, you know, supposed to be glowy and dewy and radiant, and it's that kind of holographic trend going on right now. So the first thing and I have all of this stuff on my face at the moment. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Unicorn Tears Unicorn Horn Mystical Effects Highlighting Stick. And the packaging of all this stuff is really pretty. It's like holographic, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a big giant lipstick. Like this is it next to a lipstick. It's just kind of fatter, but it's, you know, short. So it's got a cute glittery little unicorn, gold unicorn on it, and it's got the Unicorn Tears logo, and it's a stick, and it looks like this. It kind of looks like candy or something. Like I just want to bite it. I don't know if that's just me, but anyway, basically it's just like a holographic highlighting stick. And it's really cool because it has that, I mean, I feel like I keep wanting to use the word holographic, but it's got that like cool tone holographic look to it. So it's really, really pretty. And you can just kind of put it on and dab it in with your finger with a beauty blender. You can apply it with a brush. You can take it on your finger and put it on your face. That's what I tend to do with these sticks, just because I don't want to have like a whole chunk of highlighter on my face. But this should last you a really long time. A suggestion would be to warm up the product a little bit before you use it, just so that it blends into the skin better, unless you really want to be like straight up holographic. You could put this on your eyelids as well. I think it would make a really pretty effect. So again, this is the Mystical Effects Highlighting Stick in Unicorn Tears. The next thing that I have is the Unicorn Tears Iridescent Mystical Bronzer. Again, same type of packaging. For the first time ever, we've combined the effects of the warm bronze of sunlight, the ethereal glow of moonlight, and the twinkling effect of starlight together for a unicorn of a bronzer and a festival glow like nothing you've ever seen. So I think that's what they're doing this for now that it's spring and like everyone's going to festivals and whatever. The packaging looks like this. It's the same compact size of, you know, any of their other stuff. And you open it up. The bronzer looks like this. It has a unicorn in it, and the unicorn is like a highlighter and has that holographic highlight to it. Now, I looked at this and I was a little scared because I was like, whoa, it seems like half of this, not half, but like a full quarter of this is a highlighter. Is this gonna make me look, you know, glittery? But once, because it does look like there's little flecks of glitter in it, but once I used it, it was fine. There was no glitter on my face. It is a nice deep bronzer too, so if you are tan, this will be perfect for you for the summer, but also I am not tan in any way, and it was fine for me. I just used a big fluffy brush with it. It smells like something. It smells sweet, like vanilla or something like that. And I really like this. I've been using the Too Faced Sweet Peach or whatever, Sweetie Pie bronzer for a while now. And I was also scared to use this one because of the little pink flecks in it. But they ended up being fine. Both of them are nice, and both of them kind of give you that glow. This one will give you a little bit more of that glow. So really pretty. I like it a lot. And then the last thing I have is the Festival Refresh Mystical Effects Setting and Refreshing Spray. Now, I've said this before that I don't believe in setting sprays. I don't think that a spray is going to set your makeup. Makeup stays from powder. The powder kind of dries everything, locks it in, so that, you know, if I do brush up against my face, it's not slick. I'm not rubbing it away. So I just don't see how setting powders, the science behind them. But what I like about this too is that it says setting and refreshing spray. So for me, that's what I use all setting sprays as, you know, MAC Fix Plus. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter. I just use them. Oh, and I also have this too, Peach Mist. This one says it's mattifying by Too Faced, but I didn't really like that one. But anyway, I just use these for when I'm wearing like a heavier foundation or if my skin's a little dry and I see that either powderyness on my face or if I have like a little bit of dry skin and I look dry and just not as cute in my makeup, I will take one of these and just give myself a spritz, and it definitely works to calm your face down, get rid of that powdery effect, and you know, this is huge. This is gonna last you forever. This also smells, this doesn't smell like the bronzer. This smells like fruity something. Let me see if the highlighter smells like. This one doesn't really smell like much. But it smells fruity. I was also worried there was gonna be glitter in this, but there is not. It's just a really nice, refreshing setting spray that smells good, and who doesn't want to spray their face with something that smells really good. It says this mystifying makeup setting and refreshing spray is infused with opalescent pearls for all over sparkling illumination, cools on contact, helps refine pores and improve skin texture, while rose quartz powder adds some love energy to your makeup. Whatever that means. That's why I love Too Faced, because they're all about makeup as like fun and creative, and they're not so serious with it, which it's great to have, you know, a brand like that, because they are a good brand that makes really great products, but again, they have fun with their stuff. So I love Too Faced products. I've always said their eyeshadows were like the best ever. Oh my god, this ring is stuck on my finger. So yeah, that is the Festival Refresh. Alright guys, so I just have those 3 products. I'm sorry that it wasn't more, but I just figured I would do a quick video in case anyone was interested in purchasing any of them. If you're going to festivals this summer, I'm jealous. I love stuff like that. I live for it. I'm going to the Marshmello concert next month, which I can't freaking wait. It's going to be so much fun. I'm like ready to rage. If you're wondering what lipstick I have on right now, it is Anastasia Heather's liquid lipstick, and I'm wearing Lily Lashes in Goddess. So that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.